Hello friends. In this video I am going to show how to patch boot image. Requirements: needs a working PC, needs boot image that you want to patch. You can get boot image from recovery ROM or fast boot ROM. Let's start video. First install 7-zip application. Now go to Microsoft Store. Search Python. Select the latest Python. Install it. If your PC not has Microsoft Store, then you can download Python from its official website. Now extract Patcher-oss zip. Now open the Patcher-oss folder. Now paste boot image in Patcher-oss folder. Now open command prompt in Patcher-oss folder. To open command prompt in folder, go to address bar and type cmd and hit enter. Now type python space main.py space boot.img and hit enter. Now rename boot image to patched boot image. Now your patched boot image is ready to flash.